Forget about complex manuals and hours of server configuration. You can deploy your own depth site node with just a single command. Simply run the bash script on any clean Ubuntu server. In the background, the script does all the dirty work. It automatically installs Docker, configures firewalls, and spins up a powerful microservice architecture. PostgreSQL and Redis databases, Celery task brokers, a fast API backend, and independent trading bot workers. Everything is built and linked together in isolated containers.
In less than a minute, the platform is fully operational. Open your browser and see the result. This isn't just a console script, you get a complete SaaS business out of the box. Right after logging in, you're greeted by a powerful admin panel, allowing you to seamlessly manage user quotas, metrics, and billing.
The Mission Control tab gives you total command over your capital, displaying active positions and the health status of your server systems. And thanks to the Discovery Hub, your private node connects to the platform's global decentralized network, allowing you to share strategies with the community.
Jump into the visual editor and build highly complex trading algorithms in just a few clicks. DepthSite is enterprise-grade algorithmic trading that now belongs entirely to you. Open source, completely free. Your server, your rules.